Hi everyone, so today I want to show you how I style, or not style, but designed my press-on nails. And as you can see here, these are the medium size. So they come in extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. So these are fit to me, so they are size medium right here. And if you just like go Google up like the press-on nails chart size, like the chart, then you can see like the sizes that they have and stuff. So I'm gonna be actually starting up my own press-on nail design line, or you can say the line and stuff, and I'm gonna be having it on my website soon. But as of right now, my website is still currently like I'm still like trying to update a lot of stuff right now, so it's not up and running yet, but eventually I will have the website up and running. And not only am I going to sell custom press-on nails, but I'm actually going to have color contacts also. So that's something that I'm really excited about. I'm in the process of trying to find the best quality contacts out there because I want to provide the best quality for all my customers. So yeah, so stay tuned for that if you are into color contacts and if you are into press-on nails. The thumb here, and I'm going in with Caption, and this is the nail polish line from Young Nails, I believe, and this color is called Get Happy Fast. So I've been seeing a lot of trend on Instagram right now where yellow is like the color, the go-to color for this spring and summer. So I wanted to create this color nail design tutorial for all of you guys. So here I'm just putting one coat onto the thumb. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the yellow onto number 4, which is the middle finger. So for this one, I'm just gonna put the yellow. I'm also gonna use this color from Caption, the brand Caption, and this one is called Juice Me. Put that right next to that yellow. And I'm also gonna use this mint teal color from Essie, and this one is called Mint Candy Apple. And I'm gonna put this color right next to it. So what I'm doing here is I'm just creating kind of like a blur of all of it together, kind of like a marbling effect, kind of like that. Nope, I don't want to put that there no more. I'm gonna put the blue. So yeah, you can say it's kind of like a marbling, kind of like basically blurring all the colors together. So as you can see here, I have some acetone in my dapping dish, and I'm just using like a little brush, and I'm gonna be tapping the acetone everywhere and kind of blurring the colors together. And make sure that you get the color right on the edge also. And so this is kind of like an artwork, kind of. You just kind of go with it, and you know, if you gotta add more colors, then you could add more colors. It's kind of like water painting, just kind of moving the colors around to like how you like it. And like for example, if you wanted to add more colors on, you could add more colors. So it's just like, you know, up to you, like whatever pleases the eye for you. So yeah, so I really like how you know, you can like create your own like little artwork and stuff. So I'm just, you know, tapping this on I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow down here. And just kind of smearing it around. Gonna add a little bit pink here, so it pops. We need some like color that will pop through. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like how it is right now. I'm just gonna flip this one around and apply the second coat. So the pinky, I am going to do the same thing I did, and I'm just gonna blur all the colors together. Going with OPI Matte Top Coat. Okay, so the thing with these colors is you want to apply the top coat in just one stroke, another stroke, and then another stroke. Or if you can do it in two, then that's fine also. Because you want, like, you don't want to smear the colors like all together, which we kind of did. This is the look we're going for, but you don't want it to be worse than this, if you know what I mean. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some, then I'm going to apply one stroke and another stroke. So I'm not going to overlap it. I'm going to wait until it fully dries before I actually put on like a good coat over it. Flip it to the other side, and now I'm going to do it here also. Here you can overlap it because it's just one solid color. Okay. So once it goes all the way matte, as you can see here, it dries pretty quickly. I can still see some shine a little bit up here and stuff, but for the most part, it's pretty kind of like turned matte already. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some again, then I'm gonna go over it like this. So if you go, so now that you go over it a couple times, it's not going to smear because there's already that first layer that you first applied. So while this fully dries, you have to put it carefully because you don't want to mess up the design that you just did. Alright, so this is the final design. I already packed them into my box, and I have some double-sided tape here, and this is the final design. So I hope that you enjoy the video and pick up some tips and tricks along the way. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for new videos, and also like and comment below if you have any questions. I would definitely respond as soon as possible. And also stay tuned because I will be basically like publishing my website soon, and I will have this design along with my other designs that I will have for my press on nail design line. So yeah, stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.